Modern tropical retreat open-concept living with concrete ceilings, dark walls, warm wood, and lush outdoor integration. Luxury jungle villa open-air design with dark wood, glass walls, and abundant greenery for a serene nature connection. Industrial minimalist space, concrete, metal beams, and polished stone with a sleek, nature-infused aesthetic. Eco-friendly villa, sustainable materials like reclaimed wood and bamboo, merging luxury with environmental consciousness. Ultra-modern outdoor connected living, sleek, moody interiors with wood accents and a seamless transition to nature. Bohemian tropical oasis, rattan furniture, woven decor, and hanging greenery for a relaxed, nature-integrated vibe. Luxury coastal villa, light tones, wood, and ocean-inspired decor with an effortless indoor-outdoor flow. Rustic modern retreat, earthy elements, reclaimed wood, and a cozy atmosphere infused with tropical greenery. Zen-Inspired minimalist space, neutral tones, bonsai, and soft lighting for a tranquil, nature-connected setting. Warm contemporary jungle retreat, cozy, elegant design with dark wood, greenery, and a fluid indoor-outdoor transition. Elegant jungle living, open-air space with polished concrete, dark wood, and a neutral L-shaped sofa. A large coffee table and glass doors lead to a lush jungle retreat, blending sophistication with nature. Modern desert retreat, earthy tone open space with concrete ceilings, wood-paneled walls, and neutral L-shaped sofa, and a stone tile floor. Sliding glass doors connect to a serene cactus garden. Luxury Bali villa, Balinese-inspired villa with polished concrete, dark wood, and soft neutral furnishings. A rattan dining set, warm lighting, and a lush tropical garden with a plunge pool create a serene escape. Japandi living space, a fusion of Scandinavian and Japanese minimalism, featuring wood tones, a low-profile sofa, and a Zen garden. Floor-to-ceiling glass and diffused lighting enhance tranquility. Futuristic eco-home, a smart tropical home with LED lighting, high-tech furniture, and eco-friendly features. A modular sofa, floating dining table, and automated garden bring a futuristic yet natural aesthetic. Rainforest retreat, a tropical escape with floating concrete ceilings, a grey linen sofa, Raj wooden furniture, and lush plants. Glass doors open to misty rainforest views, enhancing the connection to nature. Mediterranean villa, a villa with stucco walls, arched glass doors, and warm earthy tones. A plush sectional, rustic wooden dining set, and a tiled courtyard with a fountain create a tranquil European ambience. Urban jungle penthouse, a sleek city penthouse blending raw concrete, dark wood, and greenery. A grey velvet sofa, marble dining table, and panoramic windows connect urban luxury with a natural touch. Urban jungle penthouse, a sleek city penthouse blending raw concrete, dark wood, and greenery. A grey velvet sofa, marble dining table, and panoramic windows connect urban luxury with a natural touch. Warm rustic modern loft, a loft with exposed wood beams, a leather sectional, and a reclaimed wood dining table. Sliding glass doors lead to a terrace with vertical gardens, blending rustic charm with modern style.